Boldt HVAC is a trusted veteran-owned company in Dakota County, Minnesota, known for its skilled technicians and reliable 24/7 furnace repair services. They offer comprehensive heating and cooling solutions, specializing in brands like Amana and Rheem, and back their work with strong warranties. Are you looking for a furnace repair in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. What's the average cost for furnace repair in Dakota County, Minnesota? Furnace repair costs in Dakota County, Minnesota, generally range from $150 to $500, depending on the issue and the furnace brand, with more complex repairs possibly costing more. Boldt HVAC offers transparent and competitive pricing, ensuring you receive quality service without hidden fees. What should I look for in a reliable furnace repair service? Choose a furnace repair service with a strong reputation, skilled technicians, and excellent customer care. Boldt HVAC offers 24/7 emergency service, warranties, and trusted brands like Amana and Rheem, backed by their veteran-owned commitment to quality. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.